Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this we are going to compare the UFS storage read and write speeds comparison between the POCO F3 GT versus Realme GT Master Edition. The POCO F3 GT, which has got the UFS storage 3.1 versus the Realme GT Master Edition, which has got UFS storage 2.2. During this process of demonstration, I'll try to use the three applications which right now I did install between these both phones. Let's see which phone has got what type of read and write speeds using this three application. So first application is the AnnoBenchmark application, which I'm trying to use at this moment, and both are having exactly same version 9.2.2 only I'm trying to use at this moment. So UFS storage 2.2 versus 3.1. So now we'll be able to understand what's the difference actually between these both phones. So how much difference it can be there. So 52,000 versus 41,000. So let's check which category is slightly kind of better. So Realme GT Master Edition read speeds is 1639 and 1034 and 927 is the write speed, 720 is the write speed. So very close, but not that. Comparing between this POCO F3 GT and Realme GT Master Edition, you can clearly see the difference how it is. So next is the AnnoBench application. Let's test this one. So this application will try to do the side-by-side comparison. So at least now we'll be able to identify what is happening with the read and write speeds. So it's done in the POCO F3 GT. So Realme GT Master Edition also finished, and you can see the read speed. So 964 and 710 write speed, 1670 and 920 is the write speed, as you can see clearly, friends. So definitely it's kind of really a good improvement when compared with the Realme GT Master Edition. You can see the improvement how it is. So I'm trying to use a multiple application just to show you what's going on actually with the read and write speeds. So few users, they do have this kind of doubts, right? Like UFS storage 2.2 and UFS storage 3.1, how much difference it can be there. So is it worth to think about it or not when buying? That's what my main idea of comparing like this, two different UFS storage side by side from two different manufacturer companies as well, Realme and the POCO. So I'm gonna be back after some time. So we got the result in the Realme GT Master Edition, which is about 872 and write speed 394. So this application is slightly taking some more time in the POCO F3 GT than usual. So I'm not sure why it's taking slightly more time. So let's see what this application is actually showing us the result. Will it be gonna be less than this one or not? Because it took a lot of time, right? That's what. So we did get some kind of different score using this application, as you can see. So first two applications did show slightly kind of better in the POCO F3 GT, and third application showed some kind of different result using the disk space. So that's the reason, friends, I'll try to select this kind of multiple applications just to get to know, because some users they prefer the AnnoBench application, some users they prefer the disk speed test. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and meanwhile signing off, and don't forget to follow me regularly for the Flipkart Black Friday sales. You'll be able to understand a lot of deals which are going to come very soon. So stay tuned for those videos. Meanwhile signing off. Bye.